How to turn off message notification for Messenger. Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can turn off the message notification for your Messenger. For that, you have to follow this several steps. First step is that you have to launch your Messenger app on your device. Once you have launched your Messenger app, you can go through the profile icon or three line, which is known as the hamburger option, which is located on the top left corner of the screen. Just tap on that. Once you have tap on that, just click on the gear icon here. Once you have clicked on the gear icon, you can scroll down and select the notification and sound. Once you have selected the notification sound, here you can toggle off and toggle on the notification here. Just tap on this, you can mute your notification until the alarm. Here you can see that. Also, you can go back and long press on your messenger icon and go for the eye icon here. Once you are on your eye icon, you can go for your notification here. And on the show notification, you can simply toggle it off. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily turn off the messenger notification here. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.